So, hi guys. We'll just wait till Ravi logs into. Yeah, he's here. So, hi Ravi. Hi Ravi bhai,
Hi
kaise ho?
man.
Hi man.
Good.
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. So, yeah. Hi viewers. Today we have with us international squash player. He's represented India on multiple occasions. And yeah, he is a youth icon for squash in India. Please welcome Ravi Dixit. Ravi, you're welcome to the show.
Thank you so much,
Thank
man.
you so much, man. Thank you.
Yeah. So without any further ado, I will just move on to the discussion because
Sure.
all our viewers are eagerly waiting for this discussion.
Sure, man.
Sure, man.
So yeah, my first question to you is, in Dinon mein, what have you been doing? Like for the past 2 months, what have you been doing? Because of the lockdown that has been imposed and everything that's been done. How are you dealing with this for the past 2 months?
Yeah, being
a sportsman
is very difficult,
sitting at home.
Correct.
And
And
जो हमारा game
जो हमारा
है,
game है,
the
मतलब
game I love
the game I love a lot.
So इस lockdown में मतलब that was very
unexpected things happened to all over,
the world, and everyone will be
in shock.
Correct.
But yes, because squash is like
one of the fittest game.
So we have to be
fit to play squash.
So there's no excuse.
If
we are at home,
we just have to
find
the small corner,
to do some exercise
to keep ourselves fit.
And
because first एक हफ्ता was
good कि चल lockdown
है, we are a little relaxing and all that.
But जैसे बढ़ता गया, then
it was really scary.
So then me and
my friends, we were
going live
and talking to each other on the video and doing exercise online.
Yeah. So you do a lot of live sessions and try and interact with your friends, keep yourself busy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And just to motivate
to each other,
like when you're doing
live
exercise and
our followers who is following us.
So there are some athletes, Ravi, who have kind of they're very uncertain. They have a lack of motivation to do anything these days, and because obviously because of the situation. So how are you dealing with this and taking yourself away from all the negativity and everything that's going on right now? How are you keeping yourself sane?
You have to very
self-motivated.
And अगर थोड़ा सा भी you feel lack of something, then you should talk to your idols, follow कर रहे हो, or just talk to your friends and do some exercise, and
just keep yourself busy. So then
second thought आते ही नहीं है कि
what is happening.
Absolutely.
So once you're busy in your routine, like following at home, doing some exercise, and just keeping busy with some other thing.
Correct.
And
Okay, so my question to you is, जैसे lockdown impose किया on everyone's at home right now. What have you been doing? Like जैसे कि Netflix हो गया, or indoor training होगी. What have you been doing? What are the shows that you watch or the recipes that you've tried?
Yeah, this will be the one of the most memorable जो memories हमारे आता है. So that will be because my wife she works in a hospital. And so she used to go her workplace and all. So then I started cooking.
Oh, that's nice.
So, going to YouTube and just searching कि क्या बनाना है XYZ.
Awesome.
And that's how I started doing cooking. I think ये मेरा lifetime achievement होता है. Like because cooking I never thought my dreams कि I will cooking.
Cooking tough लगा या squash?
I think I really respect all the women जो cooking करती हैं, जो for the housewives and all, very respectful because it's not easy, man. खाना easy होता है, and you win the gold medal is easier, but once you see the success and once you see the कि क्या काम किया है, वो बहुत जरूरी होता है.
Yeah, true. Yeah. So moving on to your career now. जैसे कि you started playing squash from a very young age. So was it squash right from the start? या आपको you liked any other sport, or you didn't like sport at all? How was it?
So I'll tell you long
story in short.
Yeah, please.
So I belong to
Dhampur Sugar Mill.
It's a small town.
Okay.
And वहाँ पे sugar factory है,
Dhampur Sugar Mill.
It's very famous.
It's very famous. If you see in a supermarket or all, you see Dhampur Sugar.
Okay.
So I belong to that place. So हमारी
society के अंदर there is a sports complex.
So like हर दिन की तरह
स्कूल के बाद just go to the complex and
टाइम पास कभी
स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं, कभी बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं.
बट स्क्वॉश पे कभी ध्यान ही नहीं गया
बिकॉज़ इट्स
अराउंड क्या
है पता ही नहीं था.
नहीं, किसी को पता नहीं था स्क्वॉश क्या है. करेक्ट.
बट द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज जब भी स्विमिंग वगैरह के लिए हम लोग जाते थे तो स्क्वॉश कोर्ट को हमेशा क्रॉस करके स्विमिंग के लिए जाना होता था.
करेक्ट.
सो हमारे जो चेयरमैन है जो शुगर फैक्ट्री के ही लव स्पोर्ट. उन्होंने स्क्वॉश के साथ सारे कोचेस रखे हुए थे वहाँ पे. तो जब भी क्रॉस करते तो स्क्वॉश के कोच हमें बोलते थे कि तुम गेम क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते. So me and one of my another friend Sardar, and there was one more friend.
Okay.
So हम लोग उस दिन वहाँ से भाग गए कि क्या बोल रहे हैं. And हम अपना स्विमिंग करने लगे. But I don't know कि क्या आया हमारे दिमाग में. 2 दिन के बाद मेरा सरदार फ्रेंड तीसरा फ्रेंड नहीं आया. हम दोनों गए और हमने सर को बोला कि सर ठीक है हमें ट्राई करना है. तो गेम लुक्स वेरी इजी you know. जब आप बाहर से देखते हो ना कि दीवार पे सिर्फ बॉल मारनी है. तो जब जो मेरे कोच थे मिस्टर श्याम तो जो श्याम वर्मा सर थे हमारे, ही गेम में रैकेट एंड बॉल किलो मारो.
अच्छा.
तो उन्होंने जब दिया तो रैकेट हवा में जा रहा है, बॉल कभी फ्रेम में कभी लाइट पे एक्स वाई जेड हो रहा है. So like shit.
That is how you started.
Yes, I mean, I was curious कि बॉल लग क्यों नहीं रही है. And I didn't feel that day और आज तक मेरे अंदर ये चीज है कि अगर कोई काम मुझसे हो नहीं रहा होता है, जब तक मैं उसको कर नहीं लेता हूँ तो बोलते ना शांत नहीं बैठते. हाँ.
That's very nice.
That's how I started.
We all need to learn from you. Yes.
So that's how I started. And touchwood. After learning the game, I become Indian number 2 under 11 में. That was one of the good results for me and my coach. And then slowly I started to rank number 1. Then I become number 2 national number, and winning couple of tournaments. So that's how I started.
That's how I started. Ask you my next question, and maybe you could answer it in that. How would you describe your your two main how would put it 2 main points, like 2 highs and 2 lows, if I would ask you, how would you describe yourself?
Endorsement.
Also I got a Bournvita ka advertisement. And then that's how I started. And I think low touchwood, like when we play when we insert the court, तो एक ही बंदा जीता है. So जब भी कभी हारते हैं हम, so obviously we get nervous, and you know, but कभी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि यार shit कि ये end है. I will not play. Because every time I lose, I learn.
Yes.
So then don't mistake दोबारा ना हो, and then
next tournament
के लिए I'll be prepared.
So that's what every low has its own high. That's what
exactly.
They say.
Exactly. Yeah.
In that way.
Yeah.
So moving on to squash as a sport. Squash तो it's an indoor sport, and जैसे आपने बोला एक दीवार है, एक ग्लास है, इसके अंदर ही तो बॉल मारना है. But I'm sure it's very exhausting when it comes to a number of hours of training, and then playing your tournaments and everything. So how important is hydration for a squash player?
Well, क्योंकि हम दिन में 4 to 6 hours ट्रेन करते हैं. That includes our gym, physical, meditation, that includes all. Okay. So obviously हम जितना पसीना गिराते हैं या lack of water जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होता है कम तो हमें बहुत जरूरी है कि हमें अपने आप को हाइड्रेट रखना to get ready for the next session जो कल होगा
अच्छा
because we have to train every day so getting a drink and like fasten up and all I've been with 1 year now I'm with fasten up and it's really helping me you know keeping me hydrated and it's really good in that way so
Nice.
yeah
so okay and जैसे कि there is always for an athlete not only for obviously not for an athlete even for any person in anyone's career जैसे कि एक turning point होता है so what was that turning point that made you the player that you are today
well to be honest sports has given me a life if I'll say and sports has changed my life what I was and where am I today because I never thought of becoming a first Asia number one or working with Shah Rukh Khan and going abroad to like you know most of every country I've been because of this sport which I never dream about it because I belong to very middle class family so I never thought of all that so I'll just say sports is my life
that's nice sports is your life it's nice so another question to you is किन लोगों के पास natural talent होता है some of them they work really hard you know to you know be what they are or you know to become champions
right.
But according to you how important is luck does luck play a part in anyone's career how important is it
sports जो हमारा स्पोर्ट्स है इसमें you have to be you know fit you have to be mentally strong you have to be physically strong and luck भी I think तभी काम करता है when you have worked hard and you have not cheated yourself
very true
and if you're honest to your work and you know honest to your sport or whatever then luck कभी लगता है कि maybe it's a by chance or you know it just happened but then we call it as a luck कि यार ये
but actually it's your hard work paying off
exactly because अगर प्रैक्टिस करके नहीं जाऊँ किसी टूर्नामेंट के लिए and then I'll say कि मेरा लक मुझे जिता देगा so it doesn't work that way so luck is only supporting you when you are honest to your work and your sport or work to your
correct
so luck is a part of the thing but you have to be work harder and focus and mentally strong and you have to be honest as a Zen word you have to be honest then only luck show
definitely very true so another question is in a country like India जिधर football cricket और athletics बहुत खेले जाते हैं squash as a sport in India how would it make its way to the top
well squash has gone really up now but still most of the people doesn't know this sport but number of tournaments have increased like you know couple of years like एक साल में 14-15 tournament हो रहे हैं in India और जब हम खेल रहे थे तब hardly 3-4 tournaments so but still लोगों को the sport is not catchy I don't know what is missing and because media cover करती है लेकिन ये sport में famous हो नहीं पा रहा because we are not part of the Olympics just imagine that and this is one of the hardest game to be in that so but I think squash अगर हमें famous करना है because in India Bollywood is the you know like Bollywood में कोई कुछ भी करता है media cover है ना so even in Bombay tournament हुआ था Otters Club में so they were host and chief guest was Ranveer Singh
Oh, okay.
This was 2017
में.
So जब रणवीर सिंह आया था तो 2-3 महीने स्कॉश was in the everywhere newspaper this that कि रणवीर is trying to score and he's supporting this that. But then again 2-3 महीने के बाद it become normal. So my thought and thinking is कि स्कॉश तभी famous हो सकता है जब मीडिया और हमें हेल्प करे. And Bollywood जो celebrities हैं, they should promote a sport apart from cricket, football, and any other sport.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, my next question is in sync with this one, the same question.
Yeah.
जैसे आप बोलते हैं कि squash is not gaining as much popularity as the other sports.
Right.
आपको ऐसे लगता है क्या कि जैसे क्रिकेट के लिए IPL है, अपने टेनिस के लिए भी एक लीग है, बैडमिंटन के लिए PBL है, कबड्डी के लिए प्रो कबड्डी है, ISL फुटबॉल के लिए है, वैसे डू यू थिंक स्क्वॉश इज लैकिंग अ लीग लाइक दिस इन इंडिया?
Definitely yes. Because जो हमारी लीग हो भी रही है छोटे लेवल पे. So जैसे कि बाकी other जो लीग हो रही है, they are big shots involved and they are promoting it their way. So स्क्वॉश को भी एक चाहिए जो कि हाई लेवल पे स्टार्ट हो. I think हमारी फेडरेशन they are trying their best कि ऐसा कुछ लीग स्टार्ट हो. But I don't know what is stopping and what's wrong कि हमारे स्पोर्ट्स उस लेवल पे लीग कराने के लिए not getting ready for that. But there are so many companies that brands जो स्क्वॉश को टूर्नामेंट करा रहे हैं, they are promoting. But there's something lacking जो लीग कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है for some reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
So जैसे आप बोले कि पहले जब आप खेलते थे, you weren't getting as many sponsors for your sport because sponsorship तो बहुत लगती है for any athlete, may it be a squash player, may it be a track and field athlete, सबको sponsorship लगती है. So आपको since when did you start getting sponsorship and कब से आपकी life थोड़ी easy होने लगी? And is it yeah, please go on.
Yeah, so as I said, I belong to Dhampur Sugar Mill, जो उनके chairman है. He supports sports में each and everything to all the players who are staying and playing there. So Dhampur Sugar Mill has been a very big support since I started. And then I moved to Chennai when I was 12 or 13. And then the federation was taking care of me. Like Indian Federation, Federation of India. So I've been there years and years. And that is one of the best place to train, especially squash. Because we have Indian Squash Academy there. And the best coaches and best players to train with. So I think government have been funding and Goyal sir have been a big support. And then Mr. Ramachandran being a big support who was in Chennai when I was in Chennai. So yes, I've been getting good support to play the tournament
abroad as well. So you get that advantage also. Of
Exactly. Yeah. As I said, I never dream of visiting in India only all the cities, but I have seen the world. Almost I've been to every. So yeah, this is it.
Yeah, you can hear me, Ravi?
Yeah.
So without I have a question from one of our viewers. So what he wants to ask you is, जैसे कि it is said in Roger Rafael Nadal ने बोला था एक इंटरव्यू में, Roger Federer is a talented player. He is naturally gifted. He's like a well-oiled machine. He has the natural talent. But for Rafael Nadal himself, he has to train for hours and hours. A lot of hard work. So, what would you suggest? Hard work पे depend करे या natural, जो आपके पास naturally आता है वो करे?
I think it's very mixed up because अभी जो हमारे वर्ल्ड के टॉप 10 प्लेयर्स हैं दे आर ऑल मिक्स अप तो कोई एक टैलेंट है एक हार्ड वर्कर है एक इट्स ऑल मिक्स अप so like Rami Ashur is very talented.
So which side are you on? Quick question. Which side are you on? Hard work or natural
I'm
talent?
into hard work.
Okay.
I'm into hard
Because
work.
that never goes wrong.
Because I don't have, yeah, because I don't have that talent. But yes, when I do hard work, then you get everything. A bit of talent,
Hard work is your talent.
You know. Yes. Yeah, so you can say that.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. So moving on to rapid fire questions. Fast जवाब देने होंगे आपको. So let's start.
Yeah.
Your favorite place to train?
In India, Chennai, and abroad, I'll say Australia.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Your favorite player? Someone you would love to play with?
David Palmer, he's been my all-time favorite. And apart from my sport, I'll go to MS Dhoni because I met him in Sahara India Sports Award and he's very nice guy and very humble. And I talked to him and he really motivated me how to go higher in your career now. So yeah.
Okay, that's nice. A recent movie that you watched?
I think I watched this old movie called Shutter Island.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was very good movie.
That's a movie that you like. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What आप जैसे बोलते हैं, you keep saying touch wood. So हमारे viewers को लगता है that you are a very superstitious person when it comes to playing your match or जब भी मैच खेलने से पहले you must have some superstition जो आप follow करते हैं. So what is one thing that you never miss out, from doing?
I think I just believe in God. I just tell myself that whatever you have worked hard and whatever you have done, so now it's a payoff time. So I'll just be focused and very calm and not thinking anything else and just thinking about the game and just telling जो होगा अच्छा होगा. Winning losing is a separate thing.
Part of the game.
जो होगा अच्छा होगा. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So
if not for squash, what would be the sport that you would play?
I say any other racket sport because at my university I represent and I played tennis for them and I got the bronze medal at the national level tournament. So I'll say tennis or any other racket sport.
Okay. Any other racket sport.
Yeah.
Okay. So you must have had a lot of idols growing up. So who is your all-time favorite idol? आप किसको idolize करते हैं?
Yeah, I think it's very it'll be a different answer to this because जो मेरे idol हैं जिनको मैं follow करता हूँ and as I said जो Mr. Vijay Kumar Goyal है who is the chairman of Dhampur Sugar Mill who has been supporting me from the beginning. So जो भी वो करते हैं it's very learning thing. मतलब वो कुछ भी करते हैं it's just very inspiring. And just because I can't do so much of that तो उनको मैं छोटे चीज लेके I keep on doing. जैसे कि recently I started and helping NGO kids, teaching them for free my sport and helping them in that way. So just giving back in a different way. So
Giving them back what they've given you.
Yeah. So he's my mentor
He's your idol.
or idol, whatever you say. He's the one. Yeah.
Lovely. That's nice. That's really nice.
Yeah.
So a couple of fun questions coming your way now.
Okay.
Since you're done with the rapid fire.
Yeah.
So which is one thing or one household chore that you would do throughout the day, given a chance? घर का कोई भी काम. What would you do?
I think in this lockdown, I have started, decorating my house for no reason. I don't know ये कहाँ से आया है.
You like doing that?
I love, So me and my wife, we start, Amazon पे exploring things कि यार क्या क्या क्या, and we, you know, decorating our house in that way, and just keeping ourselves busy, you know, and just be into that. So
I'm sure रैकेट स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत ऐसे होता है कि रैकेट क्रैश हो जाता है, रैकेट ऐसे आप किसी ग्राउंड पे लगता है. So that feeling of obviously you might have had a racket crash or gutting टूट गया हो. So how does that feel? How bad does that feel?
well, as a person, like, because racket cost a lot for me as a personally, so we always get from a sponsorship or like जो भी हमें support कर रहे हैं, he gives a racket. तो अगर still we don't pay for the racket, but जब भी दीवार पे लगता है like shit, टूट ना जाए, मतलब टूटा तो नहीं.
बहुत
We
बुरा
are very
लगता
scared. हाँ. Because in beginning दीवार पे जो बॉल आता था, we don't even hit कि यार दीवार पे मारने तो racket टूट ना जाए. But then day by day you learn, and then you learn how to pick up your balls and be safe and play in that way. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're going to have you tell us one song that you've played on repeat. One song that you've played on repeat, maybe workout ke time ya aise. Which is that one song that you played on repeat?
I remember this one song, Kal Ho Na Hoga.
Okay.
कि that start जब ये गाना आया था तब I was just listening to that song repeat and repeat. जो है क्षमा कल हो ना हो. So
okay, so we are running short of time, Ravi. So
yeah.
I'll give you 5 questions. Just describe them in one word. Okay. So squash.
Your fitness.
Okay. The golden trophy that you won in the Malaysia Junior Open 2009 and 2010.
I think happiness, because first ever Indian to win that.
Okay. Great.
History.
Third question to you, family.
Again, life.
Okay. Fast enough.
To keep yourself hydrated, and you can go on to train hard.
You have to only describe in one word.
I think amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And final question to you is Ravi Dixit.
Belong to a small town and now live.
But one word, Ravi. One word.
I think lifestyle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And before we wind up this session with you, one final message that you would want to give your, followers or youngsters who want to achieve what you've achieved in your sport.
Yeah, I think you just have to be very focused, whatever you're doing in your life, either sports or work or anything. You have to be very honest to yourself, because you're not doing to show somebody. You are doing for your own self, to make you happy and make you satisfaction in that. So whatever situation is there, just face it and move on. Never give up. कभी भी hope lose नहीं करना है अपना. Just be focused and be clear what you have to do in your life, and just go on, enjoy the life.
That's great.
That's part of the life. So
that's a lovely message, Ravi, to end things on a good note. Enjoy life and take it as it comes. That's a really nice message to all of us, even currently with the situation that's going on.
Exactly.
So yeah, thank you so much, Ravi, for coming to our show today, and it was great interacting with you, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for having me, and big thanks to Fast Enough, who has been supporting me for a year now, and it's really helping me to success my record and getting good results. And yes, so thank you so much.
Hope to keep fueling you, Ravi.
Yes, man. Thanks a lot to you for taking care of my fuel things.
See you.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks a lot. Bye.